5G certifications courses for business organizations from Tonex.
Powered by Tonex.
5G certification courses. This really matter a lot for almost all types of organizations ranging from small to medium or enterprises. Since 1993, Tonex Training have been offering top-notch courses, training, seminars and certifications in business, technology, and management field.
Yes, exactly that is. Since 5G technology started rolling, Tonex.com has received heartfelt appreciations worldwide. Especially, their 5G courses are very much innovative and advanced enough to help you understand any difficult topic easily. Learning 5G will result into great success for your organization. Here, get a list of most essential 5th-gen technology courses, powered by Tonex.
List of top 5G certifications courses for business organizations. Number 1. 5G Wireless Training Crash Course. Number 2. 5G NR Training. Number 3. 5G for Sales and Tech Sales Support Training. Number 4. 5G Wireless Training for Non-Engineers. Number 5. 5G Wi-Fi Offload Training. Number 6. 5G and mmWave Antenna Engineering Training. Number 7. LTE Advanced Pro Training. And number 8 will be 5G Cybersecurity Bootcamp.
Facilities, benefits, specializations of Tonex courses. You might ask why choose Tonex. Well, we have conducted several research and went through tons of testimonials online and offline. We would like to tell you top 7 amenities that place Tonex far ahead than its competitors.
Unlike other, Tonex offer most useful resources that help participants to understand any difficult topic faster. Gain expertise in advanced innovative ways. Industry's most successful professionals are Tonex instructors. Classroom style, group training and discussion facilities available. 98% positive feedback, 50K plus corporate professionals, students, teams enrolled from 150 plus countries. And, the big heart, great humanitarian activities. Tonex donates $6.7 million to Center for Enterprise Architecture, EA. Amazing testimonials from the professionals. Learn more. What professionals have to say. Read Tonex testimonials.
Are not you interested in 5G training? Contact Tonex today. Request more information. Please visit Tonex website, www.tonex.com.